Hello everyone. You must have heard yourself saying this many a time that I am feeling stress. Don't take stress. But have you ever wondered what exactly stress is? Hi, this is Sakshi Seth Grover, organizational and counseling psychologist, founder at Cognitivist, and today we are going to talk about stress. So what exactly stress is? Stress is basically a response to an external stimuli, which is more than our coping mechanism. So anything which is more than what we can cope up is called as stress. Now, people usually believe that stress is always negative and it will always interfere with our functioning. But this is not true. Stress can be distress or eustress. So eustress is a positive stress that will help the person to work. So this type of stress is required to motivate people. On other hand, there is another type of stress which is called as distress, and it will interfere with our ability to work. Now it is said that when the stress is above a certain level, it will become negative and would create anxiety. Now to explain the relationship between stress and performance, there has been a model that was proposed by Hans Selye, which is called as inverted U. So this model stated that the relationship between stress and performance is in the shape of inverted U. So as a performance, your stress level increase till a certain extent, it will help you to improve your performance. But after the U curve, as the stress level increases, your performance would go down. Now there are many theories which explain why we feel stress, why we analyze a situation as a stress, why we interpret a situation as a stress. One of the famous theory is by Lazarus, the cognitive appraisal theory, which was given by Lazarus, and he talked about two types of appraisals: the primary appraisal and the secondary appraisal. Now the primary appraisal is talking about how you are appraising the situation. Now when we talk about this term appraising, it is more about interpreting. So how you are interpreting the situation at the first stage would tell you whether the situation is a stressful situation for you or not. So at this stage, we will interfere or interpret whether the situation is actually stressful to you or not. So either you will analyze the situation as a challenge, or you will analyze it as a threat, or it is a danger. So when I talk about threat and danger, or harmful or threat, so when we talk about any situation that is dangerous to me or harmful to me, so this situation has already impacted me. Whereas when I talk about a situation as a threat, now this is something that can impact me in future. And when I talk about some certain situation as a challenge, now this situation as a whole will motivate me. And other than these three, we will either interpret a situation as a neutral. So if the situation is challenge or a threat or harmful to me, it would be interpreted as stress. Whereas in the case of neutral situation, we would not move to secondary appraisal, and in the case of stress, we will move to secondary appraisal. Now in the secondary appraisal, we would analyze the resources we have. So this situation would have analysis of all sort of resources: my physical resources, my social resources, my psychological resources. And in secondary appraisal, I will be appraising my resources to fight back the stress. So what do you think are your resources that help you to cope up with the stress? Write the things which you do when you face stress in the comment box below, and do follow us, keep following us, keep subscribing us, and I will be back with the next video. Bye.